Hello, today we are showing the latest version of Symbology Enterprise's library barcode duplicator. This latest kit uses Zebra's 2-inch thermal transfer printer, the TLP 2824 Plus, along with the Zebra KDU auxiliary keyboard with two-line display, and the Zebra LS2208 barcode scanner. Paired with the kit is a 2-inch wide by 1/2 inch long poly label and resin ribbon. This combination of label and ribbon gives the end user a durable label that will last for years without degrading the print. This new version of the library duplicator has a smaller footprint due to the use of a 2-inch printer, and a cleaner cabling requiring only one AC power cord to the printer. The LS2208 scanner is powered by the ZKDU, and the ZKDU is powered by the printer. There is a form preloaded in the printer before we ship the kit to the customer. After everything is connected, we get started by turning the printer on. We'll wait for the printer to boot up. And the keyboard and the scanner to get power. Once everything is powered, we retrieve the form by pressing the F2 on the keyboard. This time our form is named W. We will press W and enter. The keyboard then prompts the user to scan or type the barcode to be duplicated. When the entry is complete, we press enter and the label will automatically print one label. The format of the label can also be set to choose the quantity of labels to be printed at the time of print. This hardware setup can also be formatted for other size labels.